Hello guys and welcome back to my garage. Cambridge Pinstriping bike meet in Cambridge. It's happening. Yes, it is happening. But before I get to all the details, first things first, let's get the important things out of the way. And that is beer. Oh. Oh, it was good. Rock and roll. Right guys, so quickly and to the point. Thank you very much all of you for an amazing, absolutely fucking mind-blowing response to my last week's video about having the idea of starting a bike meet in Cambridge. Whether starting or having it one-off, we can get there further on, you know, down the line. That's not important. But the first one is happening, and all thanks to your support. I've got over 50 messages from you guys confirming, definitely confirming that you're up to it. Obviously it depends on the date and all that shit, you know, your personal commitments, but it's happening. I already booked a date with the venue, and we hopefully get some promotion going on from that thing. First of all, where is it? It's gonna be in Cambridge. Cambridge. No any other place. Cambridge, people. I figured, well, I live in Cambridge. Cambridge Pinstriping is in Cambridge. I've been living in Cambridge for the last 14 years or so, so why not make it in Cambridge? There is nothing going on in Cambridge right now, nothing going on bike-wise, because there's shed loads going in Cambridge, but bike meets, regular bike meets, I don't think there's anything like this happening. There have been few small meets, you know, just outside on the outskirts of Cambridge, but I think that's stopped. And you need to go good, you know, 30 miles away to for a decent bike meet anyway. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think anything is happening in Cambridge. Time to fucking change that. Also, Cambridge is kind of central location. Well, it's not central, but it's not on the other side of the country, if you know what I mean. I mean, yeah, I know if you live in Scotland, that's quite far away to go. When you live all the way in Wales or in Cornwall, that's far to go, but it's kind of central, you know, kind of, you don't need to travel all the way down, you know, down south or up the north. It's kind of halfway through. I'm hoping that's gonna make a good location, a good meeting point for all of you guys. Now, the date, I booked the date with the venue, it's confirmed. So when is it gonna be? The first available date, and the date that will work for most of you and it will work for me and some of my mates as well, it's the 2nd of June, and that's Saturday. Saturday, 2nd of June 2018. Once again, it's gonna be on Saturday, June the 2nd, 2018. That is the first weekend, first Saturday in June. It was pretty much down to you guys what day you wanted to have it, weekend, weekday, evening, and I would say 95% of you said the weekend. Saturday would be the best option. If you're traveling from further away, you can just get here, you can find accommodation overnight. Cambridge being a student city, there are plenty of guest houses. I know the big Premier Inn is just around the corner from the venue. It's pretty much walking distance or crawling distance, depending what state we're going to be in the end of the night. So it's plenty of options for all of you to get here. And because I'm planning to have it all day thing, you know, starting, let's say, midday, 12 o'clock, more or less. I'll be there at 12 o'clock anyway, drinking all day. We'll see how that goes. That gives you plenty of options to travel, to plan, you know, if you want to come for an hour or two or for 15 minutes, depends where you are. You can plan this quite nicely. Let's say coming from Manchester, you got about three and a half hours to get here. You can get here, you can spend a couple of hours with us, maybe another, you know, 3-5 hours, and then ride back home the same day. It's not impossible. It's a bit of a challenging, but it's not impossible. If you're traveling from further away, you find accommodation, sleep overnight, ride back the next morning. Why not? Yeah, like I'm saying, Saturday, 2nd of June, the first Cambridge Pinstriping bike meet in Cambridge over here. We'll see what happens. Hopefully that gives enough, more than enough time for you to plan it well. Whether you got work commitments and some other stuff, we all can appreciate that. I understand, you know, family business more important than some other stuff. You got things planned ahead. Fair play. But we got, what, 6 weeks away now. Nearly enough, 6 weeks away to this meet. Hopefully that gives you enough time to plan it, you know, and to organize your journey, organize your stuff. Whether you want to come here for just a couple of hours or when you want to come here for the whole evening and get drunk with us, options are open. I booked a venue not far from here, about 10 minutes from the garage actually. It's a huge car park, that's why I chose it. Very friendly landlord, and the food over there is pretty amazing too. There will be barbecue outside most likely, depending on weather. Let's pray for sunshine. There will be barbecue outside, obviously beer, most likely some kind of entertainment in the evening, live music or some other stuff. I don't know yet, that's not confirmed. It's not up to me, it's down to the pub. But we've got that day, you know, for us. So as I said, we're planning to make it whole day thing. Starting midday, going through the whole day, all the way to the evening until the last man standing. See how long that will take us, you know, to get us annihilated. But yeah, probably the culmination, the whole point of that probably is going to be about between 3 and 5 o'clock. I'm thinking that's going to be the biggest part of it, and then if people want to leave, they probably need to leave that time. There's going to be plenty of daylight in June. So yeah, Saturday the 2nd of June. I will drop you guys an address and a postcode exactly of the venue, so you can check it out and you can check your sat navs, you can check your accommodation around it. It's going to be down there in the description underneath this video, the address to the venue when I booked for Saturday 2nd of June. What else? Ride your bikes over, I know. I will probably have some of you mentions, I will probably have my pinstriping stand. I'll sell some of my saws, maybe a couple of mugs I do for you guys if you want to pick them up. And I'll be able to do some pinstriping on a day on your crash helmets or even small things on your bikes. Obviously I can't do any airbrushing, that's a completely different story. But pinstriping, if you have anything to be pinstriped, let me know so we can plan it more or less, you know, how much time and space I need for that. And obviously I don't want to get drunk before I pinstripe your helmet. Well, not too drunk anyway. So let me know if you want me to do anything on your vehicle, on your bike or on your helmet or on the other goodies, and we can get this organized. Once again guys, thank you very much for your amazing support. This meeting is happening because of you. You want to come over here, have a chat with me, meet the other subscribers, have a look at the other bikes. I'm gonna try my best to arrange it and advertise it around Cambridge and the surrounding villages as much as I can. So we're gonna have a lot of people here, and hopefully that will be start of something really good. We'll see what happens. Take your mates with you, take all your crew, you know, come over, the more the merrier. There gonna be more updates further to the date. But yes, Saturday 2nd of June, I'm gonna see all you over here, well not over here, about 10 minutes that direction, in the pub. We're gonna have a few drinks and hope you have a good time. Thank you very much for watching. Have a beer, rock hard, and I'll see you very soon. And I'll see you on Saturday, the 2nd of June.